Yo, hi there. My background is the majestic Mount Isarog. We have talked about the majestic Mount Isarog as a former World War II battle site. Now let's check another remnant of the past of Mount Isarog. Let's look at some relics of the war, World War II relics. Okay, let's check it. Let's check this out. This one. Yeah. It's a vintage bomb casing. It's of course empty already. I'll check that the property owner preserved this item for posterity. It's been here for a long time and repurposed as a kind of a bell for calling out their Sakada farmers. There, let's check it out. It's very rare that we find something like this still complete and uncut. You see, this area of Mount Isarog became the last stand of the Japanese Imperial forces. Let's say hi to the caretakers. Hi po. Hi po. Oh, there. There they are. It's really nice, you know. Really nice. Okay. Jason here for the Hagbayon channel. And TMS Talks. Remember, the pen is mightier with a sword. Thanks.